I don't understand people who don't want people to get paid. Like, I don't. I look like a boy. If I was a boy, even just for a day. I roll out of bed in the morning and put on what I wanted and go. Well, you gotta turn your head a little bit so people can know that you are not a boy. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. Oh man. So I decided that I wanted to film a My Truth video. I know. This is gonna be completely different though. This is nothing like, of course I am gonna add a few things about regarding YouTube, but this is more so my truth in a more broader way, like of saying it. So of course you guys know that I have only about 600 subscribers. Who am I? Nobody to be mentioning my truth in the beauty community. That's what y'all think. But this is what I have to say because I got something to say. I got a lot to say. Matter of fact, I want to speak on, well, you have to look at yourself real quick. I want to speak on all the stuff that's going on in the beauty community. First of all, I just, as a influencer, a smaller influencer, I had no idea what was going on. I just kept seeing all these My Truth videos. I recently just found out like the whole scoop watching the fancy face video. Honestly, everybody's like, oh, the beauty, the shambles. I honestly don't. I don't want to say I don't care because that would just be too like ignorant. So I wouldn't say that I don't care. But I honestly had no clue about a lot of these people. I really didn't even know who a lot of them were. I've been on YouTube for quite some time now, probably about 3 or 4 years. I have heard of Laura Lee, but I've never like subscribed to her or anything. I think that her videos just weren't as interesting to me. You know, we all have the people that we follow and that we love and we like, and she just wasn't one of those people for me. I think the first time I heard about her was like in a collaboration with something. But I don't know. Kathleen Lights, even though she has nothing to do with anything that I know of, I never really knew who she was until I heard about her collab with like a highlighter or something. Like, these people, I really just don't know who they are. I don't feel like I'm wrong for not knowing who they are. I mean, it's just not, I don't know. Like, you watch who you watch. That's how I feel about it. Like, they don't know who I am. You know what I'm saying? So it's the same thing. I just didn't know what was happening with that. And I really just found out, and I really still just don't care to like go too deep into it. Like, I know like other people are like really here for the drama. Like, I really kind of was like bored with it, honestly. A lot of people just saying like, oh, they want to see another My Truth video, but this is different. And I think that I could use this title to possibly reach out to more people in the audience as far as my channel goes. So I'm gonna use this to my advantage. Yeah, so let's just talk about YouTube real quick. My truth with the YouTube, all this different stuff that's going on outside of the other mess. YouTube has changed immensely, and it's harder for smaller YouTubers. It's changed very much so for us, and it's harder for us to be recognized, and it's just tough. I feel like this is my truth. Like, it's hard, and I really want to be that person that, you know, people come to watch and say, oh, I know she's gonna give me a review on this foundation, and she has dry skin, and I like her because she has dry skin, and she's gonna give me the tea on the dry skin products. Also, I know that there are a lot of brown skin girls on YouTube, a lot of different color people in general, so I won't even say that. But I know that a lot of the darker girls are getting a lot of attention. Dark skin is really in now for the beauty community. Like, a lot of darker girls are getting a lot of attention because they didn't always get the attention that they deserve. So that is making it 10 times harder as well, because sometimes people don't want to see people my complexion, and that's just the truth. That's how I feel. Maybe, like it's something that I don't know, but that's just how I feel right now. I'm just being honest. Which, that's no shade to dark-skinned girls. My sister is dark. That sounds super like how when people be racist and they be like, yeah, I got dark friends. But no, it's nothing like that, I promise you. No. For real, it's nothing like that. I'm just saying that it's harder. Like, it's harder now, honestly. It is. I do have people I know that support me who are like my shade or a little close to it or whatever. I really love dark skin too. I don't want to make this about dark skin, but dark skin girls are really beautiful, and I love that they're coming out with shades that are like for the deep dark girls. I love doing makeup on darker complexions too. From my shade on deeper, I love it. Light skin, I don't know, for some reason I can't. I could do the light skin makeup, but I just feel so much comfortable. Is that a word? Comfortable with doing my shade and deeper as opposed to someone lighter than me and all the way to fair skin. So yeah, that's just my truth on that situation. I wanted to talk about how YouTube has really changed my life and what I really began to do YouTube for and all those different types of things. So when I initially started, I started because, of course, I wanted to teach people what I knew. I wanted to review products. I thought it was cool. And then all of a sudden, people like getting paid for YouTube, like getting banked. And I'm like, yo, like, who wouldn't want to be a part of getting some money? Let's just be real. Like, I don't have a problem with people getting paid to do things that they love and to do something that they are good at. I do not have a problem with it. So that is not something I'm going to get into and just be like, I don't like affiliate codes. I love all of that. Get your money, like, period. However you going to get it, get it. You don't go into the store and tell people who working behind the counter who is just super happy about their job that, they shouldn't get paid to work. So it's the same thing. These people are working hard. They should get their monies. Like, that's just how I feel. I don't understand people who don't want people to get paid. Like, I don't. But aside from that, there are people who are trying to be paid just to be paid, and they're not really passionate about it. But then you think about those other people who actually work jobs, who hate their job, but they're still getting paid for it. But, that's really up to you whether you want to support those people or not. You don't have to be rude about it. Just unsubscribe or however you do it. Just let it go. I mean, it's just as simple as that. If you don't like it, don't support it. Move along, because either you let it go or you're supporting the decision by continuously watching them or continuously commenting. Whether it's a bad comment or a good one, you're still supporting that by your feedback. So that's that. YouTube has really changed me in several different ways. It's really changed who I am. And even if I wanted to have this thing where I wanted to be like, yeah, I only want to do YouTube for the money. Because of the God that I serve, it would never be that. Like, God is stretching me through everyday life, through YouTube, through everything. And I really realized that YouTube is one of those things, because sometimes you do feel like, man, why am I not getting paid? Why are people not watching me? All these other different things. And then that leads you to think, when you're not getting paid and stuff like that, nothing's working the way you want it to, you think about what your intentions are. So YouTube has helped me to realize what my intentions are on a daily basis, and I really appreciate YouTube for that. Like, so there is things and ways that YouTube has helped or could help you. And if you are like Christian and you believe in God, you really understand what I'm saying. But outside of that, like, you may not, and that's okay too. YouTube has definitely helped me in a lot of ways. It has helped me to learn how to speak to people. I was super extroverted. I was super introverted. I still have introverted tendencies, but I feel like I'm really coming out of them with the help of YouTube. Sitting and talking to a camera can really boost your confidence. And if this is something that you want to do and you're anything like I was or I am, then I really feel like you should just get in front of this camera and talk to yourself, and it'll help you learn to talk to other people. I kid you not. Of course, YouTube in daily life, but YouTube has definitely helped me with that. It just helped me in a lot of different ways that I can apply to my everyday life, and I really do appreciate that about having a channel. This is my truth about YouTube in general, why I started, and all the different things that I've realized being on YouTube. And you know, I have a video like this already, kinda, but I feel like I'm really there, like where I'm learning. I haven't really been giving you guys no fake videos and stuff like that because I just started classes like 3 weeks ago and it's been intense. This is the most that I've ever been focused in school. In college, I'll say. I haven't had time to really think, and like, I don't want to just give stuff to people and not really be excited or not really talking about something that interests me at all. Like, sometimes you could sit and talk in front of this camera and you could not be interested at all. So I just really wanted to get to that place where I felt like, sis, I'm interested in what I'm saying, so maybe you'll be interested in what I'm saying too. But I am definitely going to take advantage of this My Truth title, and you can feel however you want to feel about it, but this is my truth. Like, I don't know. I just want to reach out to more people, and that's my reasoning for taking advantage of this type of title. I just want to reach out to people, and especially people who have the same views as me and may be interested in, you know, anything that I said. But if you don't know who I am, my name is LaQuisha. My channel name is pronounced ModestlyQue, because I know a lot of people say ModestlyQue, but it's ModestlyQue. And I like to do makeup tutorials, reviews, and also faith-based videos. I really want to be real when I'm talking to people. This is me every day, so that's something that you're gonna get from me. Like, if you're looking for anything other than that, then I can't give that to you. I just want to be real. So a lot of times I won't get on here and record like really deep things regarding matters of my heart and stuff like that. But as far as like makeup, I do want to get to that point with makeup too, because sometimes you could just throw out content and just be that, but that's easier to like improv the makeup thing. But when you get to talking about God and your faith, it's hard to get into that and improv anything. Like, you really got to know what you're talking about and really be focused on that topic. That's that. Yeah, that's my truth. My truth is that I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and tune in, because it's going to be lit. I just want to talk about different things, and I know that I won't always have an opinion that is the same as others, and I may not always be correct or right or anything like that, but who is ever just always right? So yeah, that's it. That's all that I have for you guys. And like I said, I hope that anything that I'm saying may interest you guys. This is my truth. I'm not on here crying and stuff like that. No shade, but that's my truth. And shout out to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.